Welcome to Architecture Broadcast, the place where future architects comes to get inspired. If you have not subscribed it, you are missing out. Hello architects, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing on how to choose lighting for your home. And make sure you watch the video till the end, because we have a surprise bonus for you guys. So, without further delay, let's get started. How to choose lighting for your home. Lighting is one of the key elements that helps make your house a home. The proper lighting enables you to perform tasks easily, makes you feel safer and more comfortable. Choosing the right lighting for the different rooms in your home can be complicated. There's so many lights like bright light, dim light, hanging light, wall light, chandelier light, and LED light, and many more. In this video, we will be talking about lighting options available as per your room. First of all, let's understand that there are basically three types of lighting, namely ambient lighting, task lighting, accent lighting. 1. Ambient lighting. Ambient lighting is generally the primary source of light found in a room. There can be anything from overhead fixtures to recessed lighting. Usually, the amount of ambient lighting a room has will be decided by your contractor. 2. Task lighting. Task lighting is used to provide light for certain activities like reading a book or doing your makeup in front of a mirror. These lights are used to brighten just a small area of the room. They come in all shapes and sizes. They can be mounted on a wall, sit on a desk, or be implanted into a mirror. 3. Accent lighting. Accent lighting is the most decorative lighting in a room. These lights typically draw attention to something in the house, such as painting, fireplace, or bookshelf. In general, these lights make something stand out. Chandeliers, sconces, and lamps all act as accent light. Well, you can design the lighting layout as per the above three categories, or else the second option is as per the room requirement. Here's a chart specifying lighting options as per your room. Living room, activity, entertainment, relaxation. Lighting options. Chandeliers are perfect for stairwells. Wall lights and table lights are a great way of layering light and creating a softer ambience in selected spaces. Kitchen area, activity, cooking tasks. Lighting options. Pendant lights look great in multiples above kitchen island and help to define space and create focus above breakfast bar. Spotlights are great for providing brightness for food preparation. Under cabinet lighting is useful for illuminating worktops. Dining area, activity to converse and eat at the dinner table comfortably. Lighting options. Chandelier works nicely directly in the middle of the dining room table. Pendants work well to create a centerpiece within a room. Semi-flush lights work well as an alternative for low ceilings. Wall lights help divide up the room and illuminate works of art. Bedroom area, activity, read while relaxing or watch television. Lighting options. On the ceiling, pendant light works well to create a focal point over the bed. Adding a dimmer switch means you can tailor the light level as required, from bright light to a softer mood lighting. Bedside task lamps, lip lamps, or task-headed wall lights create focused light for reading and working. Illuminated mirrors are the perfect addition to your dressing table to provide bright light for makeup and hairstyling. Bathroom area, activity, bathing. Lighting options. Try to keep bathroom lighting IB protected, which ensure it is protected from water and moisture. Spotlights and over mirror lights are great for highlighting a certain area and great for tasks such as applying makeup, hairstyling, or shaving. Flashlights are great for dispersing even light across the room. Sconces and bright light are recommended above the mirrors in the bathroom, as these areas are key focal points in the bathroom. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you share with your friends and colleagues so that they might get some value out of it. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an update. As promised, here are your 3 bonuses for you all. We have launched a website where you can download as much as thousands of SketchUp components for free. We have mentioned the link in the bio. Well, if you're preparing for GATE 2021, we also have launched GATE Architecture books, whose link is again mentioned in the bio. Last but not the least, if you never want to miss an update on upcoming jobs, books, and everything related to architecture, you can join our Telegram group, whose link is again mentioned in the bio. Please show us support by liking and subscribing to our channel. See you next time.